Good evening, guys. So today we'll see what percentage is, and how important this particular concept is in mathematics. So in most of the places we come across this sign, that is percentage. So let's see what exactly this sign means. So you might have seen in shopping malls and grocery stores that on a particular item or a material there is a certain percentage, that is 50%, 70%, up to 30% off will be there. So what exactly is this 50%, 30% or 70%? So let's see what exactly these things mean. So what exactly percentage is? Percentage means per 100, for every 100. So 0%, 0 per 100, 25%, 25 per 100, 50%, 50 by 100, and then 100%, 100 by 100. Before going to this formula, let me go through this one. See, so percent is per 100, that is per every 100. So what is 1% means? So out of this 100 we are picking 1, that is 1 out of 100. So here we can see 50%. 50% means 50 out of this 100 box, so that is 50 divided by 100. So out of 100 parts or out of 100 boxes we are picking 50. So 25%, so 25 upon 100, or we are picking 25 boxes out of 100. We can compare this percentage with fraction also. So in fraction also, whenever we pick certain parts from a total, then we denote it 50 by 100. So 50% is nothing but 50 by 100. So let me go through few more examples. So 100% means, so out of 100 we need to pick all the 100 parts. So here we have 100% of 80, that is out of 80 we are picking 100%, that is all. So that will give 100 by 100 into 80, which is equal to 80. So next we have 50%. 50% means that is half. 50 by 100, 51s are 52, that is 1 by 2, that is half. So 50% of 80 is, how can we calculate this? 50 divided by 100 into 80. So this will give 40. So 50% of 80, that is half of 80, is 40. So what is 5% means? 5% means out of 100 we are picking 5 boxes. So out of these 100 boxes we are just picking 5 boxes. So this will give 5 by 100, that is 5 by 100 into 80, that will give just 4. So out of 80, 5% means 4. So here I hope you guys are understanding. So let me, okay, here we have a percentage calculator. So the number we have is 80. Okay, so what is the 50%? Okay, 50%, that is half of 80, that is 40. Let me change this to 100%. Okay, see, so what is 100% of 80? That is whole 80, that will give exactly 80. So let me see what is 150% of 80. See, that is 120. See, 80 is 100%. What is 50% of 80? 40. So 80 plus 40, that is 120. So 150% of, that is 150 divided by 100 into 80, that will give 120. Let me see what is 25% of 80. Okay, so here 25% of 80, that is quarter of 80, that will give 20, that is 20 plus 20, 20 20. That is dividing 80 into 4 parts. What is 25%? That is 1 by 4. That is quarter. So if I divide 80 into 4 parts, I will get 20. Okay. So as we know, percent means per 100. That is per 100. So 75% means 75 by 100. And 200%, that is 2 times. For example, let me see here. So what is the 200% of 80? That is 160. That is 2 times 80. 200 divided by 100 into 80. That will give 160. Okay, so this is just a basic overview of what percentage is. So how to calculate percentage? Just divide the given number by 100, we'll get a percentage amount. Okay, so here we gone through few examples. That is 80, how to find the 100% of 80, 100 by 100 into 80, 50% of 80, and then we gone through a percentage calculator. A percent can also be expressed as a decimal or a fraction. Okay, see here, we know that whenever we take a piece of pizza and cut it into 2 halves and pick one half from these two, then we call it 1 by 2 as a fraction. This one is called as 1 by 2. So as a decimal, this is called as 0.5, that is again half. So in terms of percentage, we call this as a 50%. That is, from one pizza 50% is chosen, okay, or 50% is taken out. So this is called 50%. So 50% can be written as 0.5 in terms of decimal, 1 by 2 in terms of fraction. Okay, so let's solve some examples on this percentage. So first one, calculate 25% of 80. So we need to find the 25% of 80. So how to find this 25% of 80? So what is 25%? 25%, we already seen that whenever we have this percentage sign, we need to write it as 25 by 100. So we need to find 25% of 80. So what is of? We know that of is into. So 25 by 100 into 80. If we simplify this, we get 20, right? So 25% of 80 is 20. So next one we have is 15% of 200 apples are bad. So how many apples are bad? So we need to find what is the 15% of 200. So first 15% is 15 by 100 of 200, that is into 200. 15 by 100 into 200 will give 30 apples. So 15% of 200 apples is 30. So out of 200 apples, 15% are bad. So what exactly is 15%? That is 30 apples. So 15% is 30 apples. So next one we have is if only 10 of the 200 apples are bad, what percentage is that? So these two are similar. Like here the percentage is given, we need to find the number of bad apples. So here the number of bad apples are given, that is 10. So we need to find the percentage. So as a fraction, 10 of the 200 apples are bad. So 10 by 200 will give 0.05. So we need to find percentage. Whenever we need to find percentage, just multiply it by 100. So we need to multiply 10 by 200 by 100. So if we multiply 10 by 200 into 100, what we get? 5%. So 10 of the 200 apples are bad. So this is nothing but 5% of the apples are bad. So 15% of 200 is 30, and then 5% of 200 is 10, right? So these are the examples of percentage. We got a few more examples on percentage. So first one, how to find the 25% of 1000. Whenever you go for a shopping, if a shirt or a pant is of 1000 rupees, So if there is a 25% off on that particular item, so how much off you will get? Like 25% of this 1000. So how to find 25%? Again, 25 by 100 into 1000, that will give 250. So an item of 1000 rupees, you will get it for 750, that is with an off of 250 rupees. So if an item is of 500 rupees and it has an off of 50%, then you will get it for 250 rupees, that is 250 off on that particular item. So that is 50 by 100 into 500, that will give 250. Similarly, 30% of 700, again 30 by 100 into 700, that will give 210. So next one we have 40% of 800, that is 40 by 100 into 800, that will give 320. So you guys can go through these 4 examples again. Actually it is a simple concept. So you guys try these 4 examples again, same thing, that is 25%, 30%, 70% and 50%, that is 25 by 100 into 200, same. So pause it here and then try to solve on your own. Thanks.